What's happening, you guys? It's your boy coming back with another video. I wanted to start the video here, guys. Right now, as you guys can see, I'm at work, ando trabajando, pero quería empezar aquí es temprano todavía, apenas son como las 4:30 de la mañana. Pero quería empezarles aquí el video porque hay una disculpa si no. I'm sorry, guys, if I haven't posted anything. I just haven't had anything to post, honestly. No he tenido nada de contenido. Andaba enfocado en otras cosas, como pueden ver. Cosas personales, y de todos modos, pues a veces hay altas y bajas, you know. So, me tomé un tiempo y nomás seguir trabajando y así, pero bueno. Este canal no es para eso, este canal es para contenido de carros y eso. Pero bueno, guys, anyways, con el nombre, with the title, you guys probably already know what's going on. Yeah, guys, unfortunately, el fin de una era. I posted my truck for sale. There's a lot of guys, a lot of people interested in the truck. It's a badass truck, I'm not even gonna lie. I love the truck. Had a lot of memories on that truck. I didn't want to sell it, but it came to a point, guys, where I don't feel the joy when I drive it, or I don't even want to drive it, or the truck is just sitting. You know, my CO1 is gone. I only got that one in my Mustang. I love driving my Mustang. I love the car. That car ain't going nowhere. But the truck, guys, I just feel bad because it's just sitting, you know, and así se fue más rápido, you know. So I thought about it, and I was like, you know what? I was talking to my little brother about it, and he was like, might as well, you know. So I made up my mind, and yeah, guys, I posted it for sale. No sé cuándo se vaya a ir, ni mucho menos, pero quería empezar el video aquí por lo pronto. Yeah, guys, I'm kind of sad, not gonna lie, because I love the truck. A lot of money spent on that truck, but you know, sometimes you gotta let go of things for new things to come, you know. So yeah, guys, with that being said, the truck is for sale. I'm definitely gonna record when it's gone, or cuando vayan a verla, you know. I'm pretty sure it'll go fast. I mean, the truck is badass. It drives fine. It looks really, really good. It's in mint condition. Well, the wrap is not that mint, but the truck is in good condition, you know. The truck is already done. I was gonna do bags and billets and all that. But honestly, guys, all the truck stuff, all the truck scene and all that, for me, is already gone, guys. I don't really into that no more, and I like trucks, but not as much anymore. You know, I love cars. Like I said, my Mustang ain't going nowhere. But business is business, guys. So at the end of the day, if they give me the price that I want, the truck's gonna be gone, guys. But yeah, guys, with that being said, I'll pick up the video whenever they come and see the truck, guys. And like I said, I'm sorry for the lack of content, guys. I just haven't had anything to post. My bad. See you guys then. Well, till then, I should say. Here it is, guys. My truck. Damn, guys, I'm not even gonna lie. I love this truck. But you know what? I don't even drive it, to be honest. I do drive it, but it's like, es como de esas veces que ya lo manejas, but sin gusto, you know. So you know what? Might as well just let it go. There's someone coming. Me llamó y todo, and we agree on the price. I'm not gonna let it go for cheap, guys. This truck has a lot of things done. So it's not gonna be. You guys know for sure that I'm not gonna let it go for cheap. Hacer eso, mejor me quedo la troca. You know. Honestly, no tengo motivo para venderla. You know. No es como que necesite venderla o algo así, sinceramente. Nada de eso. Si no me dan lo que pido, I just keep it, you know. It's not a big deal. But yeah, guys, this truck might be gone today. It was a good run. I love this truck, but at the end of the day, why not, you know? We'll see. ¿Qué perro le pueden poner, guys? It's a sick ass fucking truck. Damn, guys, I'm just here looking at the truck. It was a good ass build. It was a good truck to me. Nunca me dejó tirado ni nada. So no regrets, to be honest. Beautiful truck, reliable, looks nice. But yeah, guys, got a lot of money into it, so like I said, I'm not gonna let it go for cheap. But if they give me the right price, they can take it, you know. Gotta move on. But yeah, guys, damn, guys, why is it always, no sé si les pasa a ustedes, guys, but why does it always, like, they look always better when you're like about to sell them, you know? It's crazy. It looks like I've never seen my truck like this. It's crazy. Like, it looks so good, so badass. Oh my god. Well, yeah, guys, so much talking. Let me remove my IG, my YouTube. Yeah, guys, we'll see. I don't know if this guy's gonna take it, but I'm gonna remove it regardless, because I mean, it's for sale anyways, you know. Oh my god, guys. Well, there she is, guys. I removed the stickers already, or los que tiene ahí que les dije que los iba a quitar. The truck is ready to go. We'll see what the guy says. Ni de limpiado ni nada, ya nomás si se la lleva. Ya saco todo. But yeah, guys, let me show you guys one last time. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna wait for the guy and we'll see what he says. Estos pinitos son los que mejor huelen, la verdad. Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna wait for the guy. We'll see what he says. Girar un poquito a esta madre, está bien caliente. Ah, ahí está, un poquito ahí. Damn, I can't believe it, guys. No pensé que iba a llegar este momento. Bye, guys. We'll see. What up, guys? Well, just enjoying the last drives, guys. I think the truck is gonna be gone, guys. I take it to the gym. Just enjoying it. Las últimas manejadas ya. But yeah, guys, thing is almost gone. Pero vamos a motivarnos un poco. Bueno, más.
En San José, Costa Rica, lo tomaron prisionero.
Damn, guys, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna miss this truck, guys. Not gonna lie. But guys, I mean, the car, you guys already know why I'm selling it. I got something in mind that I need to let this one go, guys. And it's yeah, sorry guys, I was drinking water. Casi me caiba. But like I was saying, guys, I'm selling it, guys, because I got something in mind that I really need to let this one go, guys. And honestly, ya pasó como lo de las trocas para mí and all that, and I don't really drive it. And when I drive it, I don't really feel like driving it. And it got to a point when I'm like, you know what, it's time, you know. Como ya se lo dije anteriormente. But yeah, guys, not even gonna lie, it's a badass truck. But I can always, you know, get another one and build it exactly like this. Y está mucho más, ¿cómo se dice? Más fácil que el carro que quiero comprar, you know. So I'll probably have one, get another truck one day. But for now, It's time to let it go, guys. Emociones encontradas and everything, guys. Ya hasta ya verán cómo le quité los stickers. Muchas, a lot of memories with this truck. Dolores de cabeza, everything, guys. Pero nunca me dejó tirado, nothing like that. And it's a badass truck, as you guys can tell, you guys can see. I'm pretty sure the guy's gonna, whoever takes it, is gonna love it, guys. And they can enjoy it more than I do, guys. Conmigo la troca nomás está parada, you know, I don't drive the truck at all. Y ya, you know, it's just, I don't know, guys. Ya estoy hablando mucho. Les doy un walk around of the truck. Might be one of the last times you guys see this truck on the channel. Yeah, guys. Why? Porque siempre se miran mejor cuando las vas a vender, you know? Always. It never fails. Never fails. Siempre. What a badass truck. If I was rich, I wouldn't let it go, guys. That's for sure. And I would have put billets and all that on it, but I'm not, so I gotta let it go, guys. And move on. Angle of the truck. Wow, god damn. It never looked like this when it wasn't for sale. But yeah, guys, no quería pasar aquí después del gimnasio y que le apago las luces de enfrente porque está muy bright, no me deja ver nada. There you go, guys. AC front end, lip on the bottom, that little thing ahí, wheels, spikes, all the calipers painted, intake, sunroof, speakers, speaker lights, window tint, sound system, tubs, bed liner, 2017 rear bumper, las luces de atrás, aftermarket, a lot of money. The suspension, Monster Sinage, control arms. It's got everything, guys. No sé qué pero le pueden poner, you know. It's literally got everything. Wow, guys, it looks badass. It's a nice truck, to be honest. Pero yeah, guys, acabo de hacer en una troca así, I can build it con los ojos cerrados, you know. And it's, but oh my god, guys. Ya no sé ni qué decirles. But yeah, guys, with that being said, ahora sí, ya no, I'm not gonna pick up the video no more until it's gone, until they come, you know. Yeah, guys, I'll see you guys whenever se vaya, you know. So see you guys then.
Later that same evening.
Damn, guys, she's officially gone. I'm sad, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna come the money and the truck will be gone. Damn, that's crazy. I'm speechless, guys. Dang. Damn, guys, she is gone. That's crazy. I know that we're gonna take it all the way. I mean, the truck is so badass, guys. But ya se va. Damn. No sé ni qué decirles. Damn, guys. That's crazy. Bruh, I can't believe I sold my truck, bruh. Come on, bruh. Porque siempre se miran tan bien cuando vendo las cosas. That's crazy. She's gone, bruh. No le pusieron peros ni nada. Luego dijeron que estaba chida. No, ¿qué peros iban a poner, you know? Crazy. I'ma miss you. That's crazy, bro. Damn. Alright, guys, well, she's gone. I'm just gonna go inside my house and cry now. Nah, I'm just playing. Yeah, guys, the truck is gone. We'll see what's next. For now, she's gone, guys. I can't believe it, bro. I thought I was gonna keep that truck forever, but you know, I guess it was time, you know. But yeah, guys, it's gone. I ain't got nothing much to say. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. That's crazy, bro. I can't believe I sold my truck. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. I'm out.